So the question is, what factors can cause my case to go to litigation? That's a good question. There's a couple different things that I can think of immediately, and one of those things is getting an attorney involved late in the process. You have 3 years in the state of Wisconsin to file a lawsuit. If you don't file a lawsuit within 3 years, you may lose your right to recover forever. So if you try to handle the case for 2 years and you're 2 years and 6 months out, and there's only 6 months until the statute runs, well, you're going to have to file a lawsuit. So waiting too long is a problem. If you are involved in a multi-car crash, for example, or there's a crash with, let's say, a semi-tractor trailer and multiple vehicles, not getting information soon enough about who has insurance and from where the insurance payments are coming from, that could cause your case to go into litigation. Because that you might have multiple people who are trying to get compensation from only one insurance company that may not have enough to cover for everybody. So that's a case that may have to get put into litigation sooner rather than later. Other things that may affect whether you have to put the case into litigation, if it's a premises liability case, and winter in Wisconsin, most insurance companies are going to look at those cases, and most of the time they're just going to deny them because a lot of attorneys don't want to handle those kind of cases. And if you wait long enough, or you wait too long really, the investigation that's needed isn't done right away, then you may have to put the case into suit because you don't have the evidence that you need, and the only way to get the evidence is maybe with a subpoena or something like that, or getting written discovery answered by a different party. So those are some ways that you have no other choice but to put the case into litigation. If you have more examples or want some answers about that, you'll leave a comment and we'll gladly answer any questions that you might have, and certainly give us a call and we can hopefully answer some of your questions.